rather die on my feet than live life on my knees. If I gotta die in the street, see them fi know we no living. When we ride for me blood clot enemies, we a lead them blood clot casualty. Them fi know say family a do. Yes, kill the whole of them a weary.
Me a the Spartan goddess, me a the blood clot goddess. When me step on the road with my blood clot galley. Them fi know say Sparta don't ramp to the Spartan gods alone. Me give thanks. Some boy them a freak and a go like them a killer. Run off them out like a blood clot fire. And a freak girl pussy like a fucking vampire. Destiny a represent for the Spartan empire.
Oh, destiny you have to watch them, you know. Them a try to fight me down, but that's how the thing go. Big up the ninja, me say big up Timbo. Them fi know them could never stop me blood that flow. Whoever ready be well, slap them with some style never see before. Coming out straight out of your stereo. Destiny and family are on the place, so no. Let them know, rather die on my feet than to live life on my knees. If I gotta die in the street, you see them be know we no living peace. Rather die with me gun on my side, rather die with me blood clot pride. Any motherfucker sick, I go side. You see better hope and pray we not gonna lie. Me no look on the fool, me no watch them. Them a bleach for me till them change complexion. Hello tip, holy just a rip through your Teflon. You see them in the holy cups, they are with section.
Sometimes we up in it for what the extra man.
Sometimes even angels deserve to die.
No, you this part, come we wish you try.
One in the middle of them fucking eyes.
If I gotta go home, then it's all okay. Mama, you ain't gotta shed a tear for me. When I'm gone, tell Jesus I'm on my way for my judgment, for my final destiny.
Dear God, forgive me for my wrongs. Forgive me for all those things I've done. Some boy want to take time and leave it for me. Yo, flank up, rise every blood clot. Go and let them know. Rather die on my feet, live life on my knees. If I gotta die in the street, you see them be know we no live in peace. Rather die on my feet, live life on my knees. If I gotta die in the street, you see them be know we no live in peace.
You have what it takes to be the police, the coolest, the most savage, unforgiving motherfucker in God's true kingdom. One day say yes, so I walk through the valley of the shadow of death. I will feel no evil because I am the baddest motherfucker in the goddamn valley.